Hello everyone. So today we will be solving a Microsoft interview question. I think the question was asked in fly round, Microsoft fly round. The question is we need to generate numbers from three digits like 1, 2 and 3. We will be having only three digits 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to form the numbers, and we have to find the kth smallest number, right? So the numbers produced in increasing order will be 1, 2, 3. These are the first three numbers, and then we have 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, 111, 112, 113. And all these numbers will be formed using the digit 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, so we need to find the kth smallest number. Suppose the k is equals to 5, then we have 1, 2, 3, 11, 12. So 12 will be the answer. We have k equals to 7, then we have to find the seventh number in this series. Okay, so and k is not much big. Okay, so k is less than equals to 10 to the power 5. Okay, so what we are going to solve this problem with the help of q. And one thing you can observe is that first we are having 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then we will be having 1, and with 1 we will be having all the three numbers, right? Like 1, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. Okay, now we will be having 2, and then we will be having 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Then we will be having 3, and the series goes like this only. You can see like 3, 1, 3, 3, 2 and 3, 3. Okay, so okay, now what will be the next number? You can see the next number will be formed with the help of 11. So with the help of 11, what we can do is we have 111, 112 and 113 as it is. Okay, now next number will be 12. Next number will be 13. With the help of 13, we are going to produce next three numbers. 21, next three number. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. So now you might have noticed that we can do this with the help of q easily. Okay, so we have input. What we can do is we have input k, c I n k. In the beginning we will be having three numbers in the queue, and those three numbers will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, dot push 2, pq dot push 3. So what we have to do is, if k is less than equals to 3, then we have to print that number only. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. And we have to take a count. Okay, so count will tell us whether we have reached to our endpoint or not, whether we have reached to the kth number or not. So I will be doing while pq dot size. I will be having while pq dot size, and I'm going to take out the number from the q, first number. Okay, uh, let us suppose it is f is equals to pq dot front, pq dot pop. Don't forget to pop the number, otherwise it will go infinite. And I will be increasing a count c plus plus. If c is equal k, then I'm going to print that number f, and I'm going to exit handle and return 0. I'm going to end the loop. Else what I'm going to do, I'm going to push all the three numbers generated with the help of f, and all the three numbers will be like, suppose f is equals to, suppose we have 123. F is equals to 123, and the next three number produced will be 123 into 10 plus 1, 123 into 10 plus 2, 123 into 10 plus 3. So the number generated with the help of 123 will be equals to 123 1, 1231, 1232, 1233. Okay, so we are going to produce these three numbers. So let us we are going to push it into the queue. हम f into 10 plus 1 pq dot push f into 10 plus 2 pq dot push f into 10 plus 3. So this is how we are going to generate the number, right? So this is only this much we have. So the complexity of this code is O of n, because C will run O of k times, and as soon as the C will reach kth time kth position, it is going to print the number. I think it is clear. I don't think I need to have a dry run of this. Just try to think and try to. If you are not, if you are unable to understand, just try to dry run this. Okay. Thank you.